Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your error. So if you can't update your iPhone to iOS 14, so you see error unable to update iOS 14, so how you can fix it. So first thing, just check, you need to check, it's just go to the settings, just open the settings, and in the settings you need to find here. So just check your Wi-Fi connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, just check if you're successfully connected to your Wi-Fi. If no, if you use cellular data, just check your cellular data. So just check if you here turn on and everything is working. So another thing you need to try, just if you're using VPN, just turn off VPN. So just check here, if you use VPN, just turn it off. So another thing you need to check your percentage, battery percentage. So you need to have about 50%. So or another thing, you can also connect your iPhone to the charging and just get a charging cable and connect to electricity and just charge your iPhone. So another thing you need to check, it's just check your space on your iPhone. So just go to the general, just find your iPhone storage, just open it and just check here if you have free space for downloading this upgrade. So if not, just find here what type of media takes a lot of your memory and just remove some unnecessary files from it and to get more free memory. So this is the way how you can do it. And another thing, you can also try to just restart your phone. So just go back to the general, and in the general you need to find shutdown. So just tap on shutdown, just slide to power off and just wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So if you still have this error, so the latest way you can try, just go back to the general in the settings, just scroll down to reset, just tap on reset, and here you will see reset network settings. So just submit resetting network settings. So I hope that one of these methods will work for you. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.